Just in time for an egg.
Chicken, lay a little egg for me.
Thank you very much, chicken. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a delicious egg on toast. Enjoy. Well, episode 2 guys. So first task is get some water put into the saucepan. Fill it up to about there, I think, a little bit more. That a little bit out, just to be safe and sorry. Seems about right, yeah. Plonk that down there. Left the tap on, silly me. Obviously I've got my eggs there. Well, I'm not having 2 though, that's just a spare one for, you know. I'll probably have that one. We'll need to get whisk out. Let's get that sorted out and then get some bread. Over there. Slice of bread. Get that all prepared. Get the grill open. Once I've sorted out, we'll be ready to begin. Get the gas lit. There you go, took its time. Basically, gonna let that warm up. And then when it's temperature, put the egg on. So far, it's been on about 5-7 minutes, and you start to see the bubbles come up. Just gonna give it a little stir. And when that comes to boil, you place the egg in. Right, the water's just about come to the boil, so now I've got to turn the grill on to get the toast going. You saw the gas is lit underneath. Yep. Give that a stir. Put the toast on now because the egg's just about to go in now. But there you go. Just crack it in the middle and then half split it so you don't get the shell in with it as well. Look at that. And also you have to keep getting the snot out as well. So that's in.
There you go.
Keep an eye on the toast. Oh yeah. So that's gonna cook on a low simmer for about 5 minutes. Whilst the toast cooks away in there. Right, I think that's still good. Right, that's one lot done. Turn it over. You basically do the same again. See, there comes all the snot tends to come to the top. We don't want to eat the snot. No, it's not like snot from your nose, it's snot from the guts of the egg. Which we don't want to eat. It's disgusting. Alright, let's see if it's done. Yep, it's done. Right, now you can turn the grill off. And place your toast onto the plate. Oh no, you've got to marge it first, silly me. There's a bit of bread at the side as well. Bread and butter, shall we say. There you go, marge it on, just like so. Just makes it more creamier and delicious to eat. And butter the other one. Just like that. Keep an eye on the egg. Yeah, that's almost done. Looking good. And plonk that down. Then you turn the gas off.
Hopefully.
Yep, turn that off. And then take a bit more snot out if you can.
Yeah, this is done. That's better.
Yeah. Then you've got a clear run at it then. And yeah. This might take a so it makes it a bit easier then, doesn't it? And if you just take the egg out, it looks gorgeous. Plonk onto your toast.
There you go.
And that's how you call a poached egg on toast. So then you just put a little crack in it. Oh, look at that lovely orange yolk. Gorgeous. And if you want to put a bit of ketchup on, put a bit of ketchup on, just like so.
Squirt.
And you squirt it on.
Not too much.
That is how you make a poached egg on toast. Wow. Thank you very much for watching. going to enjoy this in peace. You know what to do by now. Subscribe button down on the bottom right there. My latest video on the left as well. Click on that, and then my old video on the right there. And yes, so I'm going to enjoy this. How about I make you jealous again, fans at home? There you go, I'm going to try it. It comes onto the bloody fork. Come on. Just like so, I'm going to eat it. Gorgeous. Wow. See you next time for some more food cookery tips. Peace out.